Pakistan, a country with population of over 200 million, and 60% of them under 30 years of age, is ripe for a digital revolution. Pakistan's banking sector has been expanding since independence and has played a key role in offering financial services in the country. Conventional network of banks with online branches, interoperable ATMs, point-of-sales machines and branchless banking agents offer a wide range of services to the public such as internet banking and mobile applications. Pakistan is one of few countries that also has its own domestic payment card scheme, PayPak, which has now gained sizable market share. Due to these initiatives, Pakistan has made promising strides over the last few years in digital banking. The volume and value of retail electronic banking transactions have almost doubled, despite various efforts by government and state bank. Around 50% of the adult population, mostly women, still lack access to formal financial services in Pakistan. Apart from this, people like to pay in cash because it is easier, widely acceptable and cheaper compared to other modes of payments. To address these issues and rapidly modernize their economies, countries are now increasingly deploying instant payment systems at retail level for domestic transactions. These new class of payment systems provide fast and cheap digital payment options to customers, just like cash. In 2020, State Bank, in partnership with Karandas Pakistan, a primary delivery partner of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, started work on the development and deployment of state-of-the-art instant payment systems. The system has been developed based on international best practices and standards with the aim of providing easy, convenient and faster payment services to the people of Pakistan. The system has been deployed at State Bank's deployment of a modern and instant payment system data center and will quickly and securely connect government departments, banks, businesses, corporates to digitize their payments with today's launch of its own state-of-the-art instant payment system. Pakistan enters a new era of digital transformation where every citizen can make and receive payments digitally with ease and convenience. Welcome to Rast, Pakistan's instant payment system. पल भर में, मुल्क भर में।